Hey teacher, today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Bitcoin. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. So overall what we got is two different ideas starting from these highs of August 15th and 25k. In this, on both these scenarios we have this as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and then the question here is whether wave 5 ends down here or whether this is just the start of that wave 5. Now let's take a look at the bearish scenario first, in which again we had the wave 4 higher time from here, then 1, 2, 3, 4 with an expanded flat, and then again a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now this last 1, 2 is a bit debatable. We can have the wave 1 here and have some kind of a three-way structure here as well. Doesn't really matter too much, at least to me at this very moment. So we are still having the exactly same scenario. Invalidation point for this whole bearish scenario would be at these highs of around 20.57k, which again we can't have a 1, 2. At this point we would confirm this structure ending down here with that wave 5 that we have on that bear or more bullish count, I would say, at this very moment, at least locally. So let's take a look at that next. This is the count again saying exactly the same thing up to these points here. Still ABC here for the 4th. And then we would have this instead as a wave 1. As 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had this as a wave 2 because again it is not perfect looking for a wave 1 either, but can be seen as 1. We did have that divergence at the very tip top, so it is possible to have this as such. Then we would have three-way pullback into wave 2 and then again possible 5-way structure into wave 1. Now this is a bit not the perfect look for this wave 3 for sure, but if we want to be bullish, this is the way we have to be labeling this. Then we would have some kind of three-way structure here instead of that 5 we were talking about, which could be ended here. So we could have, I guess, an A, B and C for this wave 2 here, and then we would start something new here. The only bullish way I can see at this very moment for this structure over here is something like this as a leading diagonal, and then three-way pullback and then again launching up higher. So those are the basic two scenarios. Now if we are zooming out on this more bullish count, saying that okay, we have this done. We have the minimum requirement here for the 38.2 in time, and also the minimum requirement in retracement here, the 38.2 as well, in price. So we can see that the September 5th or today, later today, should be the first in time that allows us to move downwards again. Now before that happens, with this 5-way move continuation, we should come beyond the 21.7k as well. Now again we have two scenarios which can both happen. I'm still leaning towards more of this, in which again instead of course this being wave 1 we could have this as a wave A, but we'll see how it turns out. I'm not quite sure how this is going to be playing out. It has been so sideways that it is very hard to say what kind of structure is going to be playing out. And I think today is some kind of bank holiday still in the US, so I don't think we are going to be getting too much action either. So might be another sideways day, but again that could be another 1-2 setup coming up possibly. But yeah, I feel like that is pretty much everything I wanted to cover today on Bitcoin. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.